Hello students, I am Himanshu Deka of Assam Dandan University, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. Today in this video, I am going to discuss one topic of pharmaceutical jurisprudence for B.Pharm 5th semester. So, the title of today's topic is Drug Inspectors. So, as a pharmacy student, you all have heard the term drug inspectors. So, first I will discuss what is a drug inspector. So, drug inspectors are appointed by both state government and central government for specific area or for specific category of activity. So, uh, drug inspector is one of the most important administrator of Drugs and Cosmetics Act. A drug inspector is appointed by both central and state government. The next point is there should be a set of inspector exclusively for the manufacturing of drugs formulation. So in a state or in an area, there are several number of drug inspector, and there should be specific drug inspector should be present in the state or in an area for the purpose of inspecting manufacturing premises. The next point is drug inspectors works under the drug controlling authority under state and central government. So drug inspector work under drug controlling authority, and the drug controlling authority regulates the manufacturing, sale and distribution of drugs according to the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Next, an inspector has been charged with the responsibility of ensuring strict implementation of Drugs and Cosmetics Act in the area of his or her jurisdiction. So, a drug inspector main responsibility is to implement the Drugs and Cosmetics Act properly in his area. For example, if a manufacturing unit is present in his area, he need to be he need to ensure that the manufacturing he need to inspect the manufacturing unit and ensure that they are using proper GMP guidelines according to the Schedule M of Drugs and Cosmetics Act, and he also have the authority to inspect any wholesaler or retailer premises of drugs to ensure that the retailer or wholesaler are distributing the drugs in proper manner. For example, if some retailer is selling drugs, selling Schedule C and C1 drugs that are biological drugs, he or she should have proper storage facility. And if someone is distributing or selling Schedule X or Schedule H, that is prescription drugs, he should have separate cupboard to store the Schedule X and Schedule H drugs. All of these things need to be ensured by the drug inspector in his area, or any violation of the act will be reported by the drug inspector to the Drug Control Authority of India, and action will be taken against the violators. So in my next video lectures, I will discuss the duties of the drug inspectors and what are the qualifications to be a drug inspector. Thank you.